from theisabelsolution.com. And people ask me all the time, what can I get that's quick and easy? I work all day and I don't have time to cook. So I ran into the supermarket and got myself equipped for the whole entire day. So here's my bag, and I'll tell you exactly what's in it. Organic walnuts. These are my snacks, so when I'm in front of my laptop and I need a quick snack, I've got walnuts. But nobody wants to eat just nuts all by themselves. So I also got some organic dried fruit. Now be really, really careful with the fruit that you get, because this dried fruit doesn't have any added sugar. But there are a lot of dried fruits at the supermarket that have added sugar, and they also have added oil. So make sure that the ingredients just say organic mango, organic apricots, organic prunes. Also, don't overdose on these. They're pretty high in sugar. It's really, really good sugar because it comes from fruit, but don't have the whole entire container in one sitting. Alright, those are my snacks. Now what am I going to do for my meals? I have got an entire rotisserie chicken right here. Okay, so I know you just didn't have the time to cook the chicken yourself, but you need protein in every meal. If you're on a muscle building plan, you need protein at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. If you're on a fat burning plan, you also need protein at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So this chicken is enough for me for lunch, for dinner, maybe even lunch tomorrow. And it's completely already cooked, already seasoned, ready to go. So all I need is a fork and knife, and I've got my protein. The other thing I have on here is a prepared salad that I also made at the supermarket. Now, make sure to stay away from the really heavy stuff. And this salad is loaded with veggies. I've got some broccoli, some cauliflower, some lettuce, some tomatoes, some cucumbers. Absolutely perfect. There's organic olive oil and vinegar in here, and I'm set with my fiber and my vitamins and minerals for the whole entire day. So don't tell me you didn't have enough time to chop your fruits and veggies, because this is an easy solution at the supermarket. Now, if you're on a fat burning plan, stay away from a lot of starchy carbs during the day. So I didn't really have to pick up some brown rice, some sweet potatoes, or anything like that. This really should keep you satisfied. But if you are on a muscle building plan, you'll need a banana, some brown rice, some sweet potatoes, something that's a heavier carbohydrate post-workout, okay? So you'll have to pick up something a little bit more on the carb side. Now, last but not least, organic baby carrots. If you're not a veggie fan, almost everyone loves carrots. So these are great on the run, on the go snacks. Now, I'll show you my secret fat burning drink that I carry around in my purse all the time. Organic green tea. You will always find it in my purse. And chances are you can run into any coffee house and ask them for a cup with hot water in, put your tea bag in there, and you've got your fat burning drink for the day. So again, this is Isabel from theisabelsolution.com. Here is your equipment for the day, fast, easy, and ready to go.